So here's a step-by-step guidance for installing VS Code. Before we begin installation, let's check our system configuration. So go to your Windows search bar, type in system information, just SYS will do, click open, and you'll see your system type, right? Whatever it is, remember this particular number, 64 whatever, and you can close this window now and then go to the browser. So go to your browser and type in VS Code download, press enter, and then click on the link, right? So that should bring you to this page, and you can see there's the download for Windows and the download for Mac as well. Now, depending on what your configuration is, choose the system installer accordingly. So if you click on this, for example, the download will begin for that particular setup file, right? And you should see it in your downloads folder, right? Now, once it's done, if you go to your downloads folder, well, you can see it here, right? You can see I've downloaded it twice. When you click on this, you will first get the message from your machine, right? Asking whether you want this program to change your disk. Agree to that. And then you will see this screen. Accept the agreement and then click next, after which you will see this screen. Remember to tick all the boxes, right? We need all of them. And click next and the download should begin, right? Once it's done, you can go back to whatever you were doing. That's all.